Take a look, guys. AliExpress best deals offers for all online shoppers out there. More categories that you can explore here, like this. Jolly Christmas categories, perfect for celebrations gift. There's necklaces, Christmas decor with massive discounts and every items. A holiday surprise, items for you, holiday outfits, shirts, everything, fashions, gift, decorations, etc. Let's try to explore more categories here. They also have here price drop categories. This from their top picks. A feature brands and necklaces. They also have must-have items like this on for watches. Let's see. This watch cost $29.75. Its price drops up to 96% up. You can save as much as $28.76. You can get these items just only 99 cents. Let's find some categories here. Customer electronics. They also have here home appliance, computers, items for offices, a lot of items that you can choose. This is the best great deal of AliExpress for all of us. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Check all items on AliExpress. For interested, just go to description ID and check the link while AliExpress still offering this great deal.